So we have a platform that allows our customers to create software through a low-code interface, so visual interface to create applications. And how do we reduce the time to market for these applications? Is first because when you assemble those bricks, those visual elements together, it creates and deploys instantly the applications to be used. The second thing that we use as an acceleration for that is that we have a common marketplace of bricks that customers can share across them so that they can reuse the same bricks again and again. And the last thing is that within the enterprise, you can build your own bricks, your own reusable components, so that when you create a new application, you make it faster than before.
Sounds really interesting. So why is it different from a low-code platform?
So in our platform, in our product, low-code is just a feature. What we do have is a real-time distributed ecosystem that is here to operate and run all the operations of the enterprise. The low-code is just here for helping business people, be stakeholders, be creators of new applications directly on this distributed and real-time application, this ecosystem.
It sounds like almost any kind of company could use such a procedure. What are exactly the use cases? Like which customer will use your platform?
Yes, you're right. So it's the equivalent of a programming language. So anyone can use Olympe for any use case. But the intrinsic features of the technology is to be real-time and to be distributed. So any use cases that is using these two dimensions will make the best usage of our technology. So we find that in supply chain, we find that in traceability, we find that a lot in Industry 4.0, where you've got a lot of different things. So we are able to manage the edge computing in real-time IoT system to make sensors actually really smart sensors. And so that's use cases that matters the most for our technology.
Thanks a lot. So finally, what does it represent for business people or IT teams to have your solution?
So it's like a common interface, visual interface, so that the IT people will be working on the high added value tasks. Their work is wrapped into bricks, and the business people will be assembling bricks that makes business sense for them, so that it makes business application more accurate and more appropriate to what the people want.
Thank you very much, Nomo from Olympe. I think, in my eyes, it's an excellent solution which shows how Swiss technology makes the business process more efficient